Speed is the best meter to get an idea of how good a car is. So fasten your seatbelt because we will push it to the limit of maximum speed. Number 10. Aston Martin Valkyrie. Its original name was AMRB001. It was created by Marek Reichman, Aston Martin designer, and Adrian Newey, technical director of the Red Bull races. You can accelerate from 0 to 200 miles in just 10 seconds and reach a speed of 249.7 miles per hour. This means it's just over a mile faster than the Kawasaki H2R motorcycle, one of the fastest in the world. This is because the Aston Martin Valkyrie has a 6-liter engine with 12 cylinders and a strength of 1,000 horses. Therefore, the engine of this car has enough strength to lift 76 tons in a second. The Aston Martin Valkyrie, in addition to being one of the most powerful, is also quite expensive. It costs $3.9 million and will go on sale in 2018. Number 9. SSC Ultimate Aero. For a moment, the dominance of Bugatti, whose cars you will see later, was surpassed by an unknown and almost ridiculous brand name, Shelby Supercars, brand that created the SSC Ultimate Aero, whose speed is 256 miles per hour. Between 2007 and 2010, it held the Guinness record for being the fastest serially produced car in the world. This was achieved thanks to its 6-liter engine with 8 cylinders and 1,287 horsepower, the power needed to lift 54 adult hippos. In addition, you can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.7 seconds. Its price is relatively cheap, only $654,400, although its only problem is that it has no electronic help to control the power of the engine. The more cylinders a motor or fuel has in it, the stronger its explosions are, the more force it has. When an explosion occurs inside the cylinder, the piston of the motor is pushed and rotates the metal elbow on its axis. The force of the turn is called torque and is measured in pounds per foot. The Ultimate Aero torque is 1,112 pounds per foot. Number 8. 9FF GT9R. This car was designed by 9FF, an automotive company that based its design on the shape of the classic 911 Porsche. The reason why it is in this top is because it accelerates up to 256.6 miles per hour. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds. The engine has 6 cylinders with a capacity of 4 liters and a torque of 910 pounds per foot. 9FF offers the possibility of customizing the design and color of these cars, so there are no two in the world. On the internet, you will find different models. If you wish to buy it, it costs $695,000. Number 7. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. This car is not only fast, but also among the most expensive in the world. It reaches a speed of 257.8 miles per hour, which is 4 times faster than a Cheetah. It also goes from 0 to 60 miles in 2.9 seconds. Its 8-cylinders engine with a capacity of 4.5 liters results in a torque of 920 pounds per foot and a force of 1,000 horses. That's enough to carry the weight of 105 cows. In addition, it is luxurious because it has a diamonds powder cover of, and for that reason, its cost is $4.8 million. Number 6. Bugatti Veyron Supersport. Volkswagen bought Bugatti with one main objective: to build the fastest car in the world. That was the Veyron. Unfortunately for them, they had been dethroned by the Ultimate Aero SSC, and in response, they designed the Bugatti Veyron Supersport, whose speed was tested on the tracks of the same factory and turned out to go 267.8 miles per hour, so it's faster than the Japanese Shinkansen bullet train. It has a 16-cylinder engine with a torque of 1,106 pounds per foot and 1,200 horsepower, enough strength to carry 15 elephants. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds, and its design is aerodynamic. It cannot be stopped even by the wind. Despite being valued at $1.6 million, it has sold well, probably because since 2010, it is the fastest serially produced car in the world, according to Guinness World Records.